Morning.
Sige. Pero magsalita lang kayo dyan.
So we're here at It's Cafe. Along another.
Ano voice over? So ito yung menu nila sa It's Cafe.
Turuan sa ng order.
So guys, dito lang tayo sa It's Cafe. So along another road.
Kapag nagbalikan
Near HRA. So ito yung mga menu nila. Ayun lang yung naman. So tignan ko natin, ha?
Hindi ka nga rin. Tingnan yung mga buhay mo nang wala kayo, di ba? Yung mga video.
Ikot mo lang dyan yung mga pinda nila.
Kami po ay magiging teacher na rin.
Oo, hello.
Tawag pala sa amin is...
Hi, mga future educator.
Ano kami, di ba?
O, di, ano kayo? Ayan, so guys, let's eat some meat cafe. And Sir Arnel, hi ka Sir Arnel. Vlog niya yun, Sir.
Oo, di ba?
Sir Arnel naman ngayon ang guest natin na teacher. Last time si Sir Teo at saka si Sir Joey.
Sir Joey.
Sir Joey na Mac. Sila yung guest natin.
Sir ano?
It's Cafe. So, dito lang yan sa Naga Roads. Ayan, guys. Yan ang ginagawa nila. Ito yung mother namin.
Lunella.
She ordered a beef burger with the...
Beef pork daw yan.
A few slice. And then the price of... Ayan. The flavor.
Hindi naman yung
flavor yan.
Lagayon niya ng ano.
Ano pala? Charger lang pala. Sorry. Ang iyo. Okay lang yan.
Ako pwede mag-request.
Ano? Ayan, meron na. Ayan, ito yung mga future educator natin. So, after 3 years, after 3 years, ayan, so magiging teacher na din sila. Ito yung mga taong gustong mag-aral.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Food natin.
Ay, tanungin mo ako, where do I see myself in the next 4 years?
Yes. I can answer your question.
I see myself at the next 5 years as a Filipino teacher.
Okay.
And graduated with Latin honors.
Wow.
But I'm not sure naman. Pero I'm hoping.
Yun yung ina-hope niya.
And
there's no impossible with the students who are willing to strive and having a responsibility. Sorry. It's, akala ko
may
eksena ko na.
Dapat sa dulo pa yan.
Sorry.
Nakuha mo ako.
Okay.
So, ayun naman. Philippine teacher lang. And
who is the person that encouraged you to take the Filipino subject or a Filipino major?
Sagutin yung pangalan niya. Sige, sasagutin.
No. Just,
and,
just be yourself.
A lot of people inspired. Inspired.
But who is the person that touches your heart?
Sino man?
Okay. Don't mention that name. Disclaimer. Just the code name only.
Hindi, nag-inspire lang naman Philippines.
Because, what's the reason behind on it?
Na-inspire ako ni Ate Tuesday. Na ngayon ay 4th year na sa PNU. Ate-ate ko siya sa simbahan.
Tapos?
Pangalawa, yung mga teacher ko, yung mga Filipino teacher ko. So, na-inspire ako doon. And pangatlo, para ipaglaban ang wika.
Bakit? Nawala ba ang wika?
Hindi lang yung Filipino language, pati na rin yung mga iba't ibang wika na umiiral dito sa bansa.
Yes.
For example, yung FTV, ganun. Mga FTV.
Guys, ito pala kayo. How about you naman?
Same answer as him.
Ano same answer? Same person? Same answer din?
Same answer.
Wait lang kasi, sir. Same
sorry.
answer as him. I see myself in the next 5 years as a successful teacher. Pero,
With,
yun na yan.
with flying colors.
Yes, with
Wow, thank you. And who is the person inspired you to take that major in English?
my teachers. Yes, my former teachers.
Who's that? There's only one
There's a lot,
person that
actually.
can attach your heart.
There's a lot actually. Ever since elementary, I've always dreamed of becoming a teacher talaga. Kasi it is my passion.
Okay, it's your passion to impart different kinds of knowledge to most different kinds of young
I
learners
can't
to be.
understand you.
I'm sorry, say it again. So, oh, this is the It's Cafe. It's brought to you by It's Cafe. Okay. So, let's proceed.
Let's proceed to the next slide.
Another, because
Can someone read what is primitive education?
Ano, sir?
what's all about primitive mamas?
Yun yung mga sinaunang na.
Yan. The first human that exists in our environment. How about you, Miss Donna?
Yes.
You're already in profession. So, who's the person that can encourage you to take this path?
Myself.
Yourself. So,
Taking engineering before.
in the past years, how many years?
How?
See yourself to push through on this path.
Alam ko na kung nasan sila.
Be, tanungin mo yung wag ka ano.
Ipapakita ko.
Ay, sagutin mo yun.
Siguro ano?
And I thank you.
Wala pa.
Ay, wala pa ba?
Tanungin mo kung minumulto siya ng engineer. Engineering,
Yeah.
ano? Minumulto ka.
Engineering.
First course ko.
Na naman tayo sa multumultuhan.
Kaso, si ano, minumulto ka.
Pero ang multo ko when I was in college, bago ako magpamantasan, gusto ko ang PUP. Pamantasan.
Taking mo talaga siya.
Pamantasan ng Muntinlupa.
Talaga, yung multo yun.
PNU, PPUP. PUP sana.
ko yung mga
Natanggap ko.
subject ko na
Hindi ako nakabot sa time ng entrance exam.
nakita ko na
Pero for sure,
First goal pa lang.
Yun nga eh.
Pero tinapos ko ako
Iniyak ko yun.
Engineering talaga siya.
Pero,
Ganun din naman.
Pagka second year, nag-edo.
oo.
Hindi ako tinanong sa edo kasi may dress.
Diyan
High
talaga
standard
gusto
yan
mo.
sa edo.
Yun na talaga yung school ko kasi that kind of school is very inspiring
Nag-edo ko.
and they reproduce a lot of professionals. So, yun na yung food natin. So, way back. Dito tayo sa...
Ginawa niya 2.0.
So, ito guys, yung kanilang menu. Here's the menu. It's Cafe. Sa Pratt. Then may mga seasoning din po sila.
Kailangan at kailangan mo talaga ng another na. Kailangan i-ano mo na, i-reset mo na sa sarili mo.
So dito na kayo guys sa It's Cafe.
Kasi kapag
So, kwentuhan na sila.
Hindi ka maraming pwede mangyari, maraming nalulungkot ka, worst scenario,
So, ayun guys. So, dyan po nagtatapos ang ating vlog for today. So, thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye! Don't forget to click, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys! Mwah.